Everybody, it's Ryan. I want to give you a quick overview of this here tire rack. So this is a Woodlore tire rack. It's solid wood, and from a measurement standpoint, it's always important if it fits wherever you want to put it. This thing is right at 18 inches long, and then it's right at 2 inches top to bottom from a mounting standpoint. It does have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 23, 24 pins, if you will, that you can use for hanging ties and belts. The length of these pins is right at 2 inches, and it has a lot of different purposes. Again, like I mentioned, you can use it for ties, you can use it for belts. I guess you can use it for scarves if you have scarves and you're looking to hang them up. So just want to give you sort of a quick overview of what this thing looks like. And so if you're looking to add something to your closet or wherever you put this stuff, hopefully that helps.